So, my dear students, my dear children, today we are having a speaking session, and in this session, very simple topic is there for you, and that is the importance of work, and also why is it necessary, and you know very well, and what what if there is no work, as Rakshit has said a few minutes earlier. So you can also add your logics, your arguments in it, that why, what is the importance of work. So, and I think it is good that I have got some names. Very good. So, yes, Rakshit, Rohit, Harsh, Gaurav. गौरव तुमने जल्दीबाजी कर दी फिर भी, है ना? कोई बात नहीं. हर्षित, ओके, कोई बात, दो तीन लोगों को सुन लोगे तो फिर अच्छे से कर पाओगे. तो सुने, बाकी के लोग भी ध्यान से फोकस करें सुनने के ऊपर अब. ठीक है ना? तो घबराएं बिल्कुल भी नहीं. कम ज्यादा बोलना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं होता है. द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज टू एक्सप्रेस योर आइडिया in a way, in such a way that can be understood by all. This is the main thing. Okay. So first of all, I am calling Rakshit. Come on, Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am telling on the topic in the importance of work. As we all know that work is a very important aspect for our life, and it is it is very important, and it teaches us many things in our life, and it helps us to improve our mistakes in our in uh, in the life,
सुनो ध्यान से सुनो सारे सारे लोग. हाँ,
and many things.
हम्म,
Often, many people
बहुत
envy
बढ़िया.
many rich people that they have no work to do, and they are happy in their life. But if we go behind it, then we see that there are many rich people who are not happy because they have no work to do, and they get bored most of the time. If you
शाबाश.
do not have any work, then at first sight you see means on the earlier time you get very happiness, you are happy, but as the time goes, you get bored, and you think there is no work to do,
हम्म,
and
हम्म,
you get lazy, and the happiness that is in your mind changes into sadness, and
शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया.
because because work work should be done in in every person's life, and work is and if we do work regularly, we feel happiness, and we can, if we earn money by working hard and by doing work, we can hold up our head with proud,
शाबाश.
and regular work teaches us many things, like how to live in a disciplined life, how to be punctual towards the work, and to be polite in the work,
शाबाश.
and honest for the work,
हम्म,
etc. And so by these views, I can say that there is a big importance for work, sir. That's it.
शाबाश. नाइस स्पीकिंग बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया. वेरी गुड. नाइस थॉट्स, नाइस यूजिंग ऑफ न्यू वर्ड्स. You are using, this is a very good thing for you, that you always try to use new words. This is the main thing that I want you all to do. Yes, come on, Rohit.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav, and today I'm going to tell you about the importance of work. As you all know that nowadays most of the people work for earning their livelihood,
Hmm.
and as you all know that nowadays many people look for work, and many have the work. So what is work? Work is something which we do to earn our livelihood,
Hmm.
and in my mind I think that everyone should do work, because without work we feel lazy and bored, and by living in the house, work can be of any type, like a business can also be called work, because
Hmm.
and because in which we are creating our in which we are
Hmm.
creating our ambition, and we are working hard. So in the things in which you work hard is called as work. And as you all know that everyone do work to feel happy.
यस,
Yes
ध्यान
sir.
रखो बेटा यहाँ पे।
Everyone does work to
चेक
feel
हम लोग को
happy.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। हाँ।
And we know that when we do work, we forget all our things and do the work with our full potential. The work we do, if we are finding happiness in that work, then we should do that work, because that work will take us to a good position. Because the people who have money and money, they stay at
देखने की
home
जरूरत ही
for.
नहीं है, पर हु हैव मनी द पीपल आ गया
Yes
ना
sir.
उधर। फिर
Stay at home for whole day and do nothing except sleeping or watching TVs and wasting their time. We are human beings. We are made to work and create a history.
हम्म।
So in my mind, I think that we should work hard, and the things which are impossible, we should make them possible by working hard.
हम्म।
And as you know that why the people who do not have work, there are only two reasons for that. The first reason is that they don't want to do the work, or second reason is that they want to do work but they are not getting
हम्म।
the work. So as we know that work is all around us. It is in our attitude that how we can find the work. And no work is good and no work is bad.
हम्म।
Every work has its own importance, because as we can see that the person who is um, rubbing the shoes and earning his livelihood is happy, but the person who is an who elector good collector and these types of person earn a lot of money, but they are not happy from their job, or we can say that they are not happy with their work. So we should do that work that helps us and make us happy. That's it.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश। यस, थोड़ा सा ग्रामर पे फोकस करो। और हर्ष।
Hello, good evening. My name is Harshal, and today my topic is the importance of work. As we all know, we are human beings and we are made for doing work. If we will not do work, then our body will become lazy, and we will feel of sleeping a whole day. And if so, then our body will not work properly, and we will be not able to do any work, and our life will become elder. So वो word कहता है IDLER,
आइडलर।
idler. Our life will become idler. Uh, uh, Works makes us feel happy. If we are doing a work in which we feel good, then our whole day will be full of refreshment. Like if a person wants to play cricket, then he can play the cricket whole day, because he loves playing that. And when we do a thing which we love, then our heart also say to us that do this work. And if we are doing a work in which we are not happy, and then our whole body parts will say that I don't want to do this work, and we will definitely make a mistake in that work. um, there are many people who don't have work because they are so rich that they make some attenders under them to do their work. So they have no work, so they have no work to do, and they simply sit on their sit on their AC chair and enjoys phones and mobile. But for how much time they can do so? They can do so for uh, only the time when they are happy. But phone has also a limit of showing you things, and when the limit will be over, then the same things will be repeated, and you will be get bored by them. So in this way I consider the work holds a lot of importance. That's it, sir.
ओके वेरी गुड. और थोड़ा सा थॉट्स को क्लियर करो बेटा, है ना. और थोड़ा सा क्लियर करोगे थॉट्स को, है ना. ओके यस, कम ऑन गौरव.
Yes, sir. I'm Gaurav of Raman Online Active Classes, and my today's topic is the importance of work. As we know that we all think, and somebody do not think, but most of the people think that if we were rich, we have no need to work, and work is so hard, and we are free when we are rich, and rich people are free to the work. But it is not true because the rich people are bored from their lives
Hmm.
as they are doing the same thing because they have no work to do, because they have many they have much money for spending their life on, and they have no need to earn their livelihoods because they already have much money,
Hmm.
and they are bored because they have no work because they have hired many attenders and other servants for food or relaxing, and they don't play also sports. They just sit in front of TV. And if there is no work, we will be bored from our life
Hmm.
because work keeps us keeps us active
Hmm.
and interested and curiosity
Hmm.
that if we do this, so what will happen? But do if we will not do work, so how can we think that the work is important for our livelihoods and health?
Hmm.
Because a scientific research or survey said that they in the survey they collected 800 people.
Hmm.
400 were
Hmm.
said 400 people were said to not to do any work and just sit in front of mobile TV and in just a packed room. But in the room there were every facilities they want.
Hmm.
And sit one were said to sit in the garden, play and everything and play,
Hmm.
do work, do maths solve questions and equations, do questions, quizzes,
Hmm.
and many things, but not mobile and TVs.
Hmm.
And after a week, the TV mobiles people were bored from, and they were just snatching themselves,
Hmm.
and they were bored, and they were saying that we need to be out and we need to play, we have to play,
Hmm.
they need to play. But the but the people who were set to sit in the ground play, they were all in the whole week they were happy all time. They were playing in the garden, talking to each other,
Hmm.
and having fun. So this shows that work keeps us happy and active, and this is the importance of work. Thank you.
ओके वेरी गुड. ठीक है, कोशिश करते रहो. यस नाउ हर्षित.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Arshit Moore. I'm the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is importance of work. Work is very important for us. It is a very important aspect of our life.
Hmm.
Uh, we need work to lead a happy and a healthy life.
Hmm.
Uh, Sometimes many people think that if we don't have work, then we will lead a happy life. But it is wrong because many times the rich people who are without work and have too much money are bored from their life because they have nothing new to do. They have the things that they do regularly with full of comfort, but they are bored with those things,
Hmm.
and they and they become lazy because of those works.
Hmm.
And we can see that many times, many times we can see that many people say that work gives uh, work give them happiness and everything. And work is very important for our life to teach us discipline, to be punctual, to be honest to our life, and to be honest all over the world.
Hmm.
That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड यार, शॉर्ट एंड स्वीट। ये थोड़ा डेवलप करो अपने आप को, कम से कम शब्दों में अपनी बात को कह के जाओ। वेरी गुड, शाबाश। बहुत ज्यादा उसको एक्सप्लेन करने की बजाय कम से कम वर्ड्स में अपने एक आध एग्जांपल दो और अपनी बात इतने प्रभावी ढंग से कहो, इतना इफेक्टिव तरीके से कहो कि वो बात शॉर्ट में कंप्लीट हो जाए। ओके, सुना करो एक दूसरे को, बहुत कुछ सीखोगे सुनने से। या सुशील।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am student of the Ramban online interactive classes from 16.
हम्म।
And today, my topic is the importance of work.
हम्म।
Work is very important for us because it makes us a good person, and it also gives us happiness.
हम्म।
And sometimes we think that having nothing to do will very nice, and it will give happiness to us.
हम्म।
But my friends, we are wrong.
हम्म।
It is not reality.
हम्म।
If we don't have work to do, we will bore.
हम्म।
And sometimes we also think that rich people are happy
हम्म।
because they don't have any work to do.
हम्म।
But uh, but uh, we are wrong. They are not happy, they are tired because they don't have any work to do, and
शाबाश, बहुत
their
बढ़िया।
life is
हम्म।
like hell.
हम्म।
Like hell.
हम्म।
And they have all things like expensive car, phone,
हम्म।
property,
हम्म।
aeroplanes,
हम्म।
everything,
हम्म।
but they don't have real happiness.
हम्म।
They are sad from their heart.
हम्म।
And work is also important for our character because it teaches us the importance of punctuality,
हम्म।
ca- careness, and faithful, and discipline.
हम्म।
It means it is also important for our skills.
हम्म। बहुत बढ़िया बोल रहे हो, शाबाश।
And if we don't have work, we will become sad, and we will fight with our relatives and friends.
हम्म।
And uh, and uh, and if we work, so we can earn respect
हम्म।
because we can notice it by seeing it on the roads.
हम्म।
And there are some people in our society who roams in the streets, and they don't have any work to do, and they
हम्म।
beg beg money from to people who earn
हम्म।
money by hard work.
हम्म।
And doing work, we can become self depend.
हम्म।
And if we work, so we can do everything as we want.
हम्म।
Like if we work, so we can go everywhere. We can eat we can eat anything.
हम्म।
So my friends, the message of this topic is that work is like worship. Said that's it.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। वेरी गुड, शाबाश बेटा। यस, लक्ष्मी।
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today our topic is importance of work. There are many works and there are many people and some people thinks that it would be rich people and they have a lot of money. They feel happiness, but it is not truth. They have much stress,
Hmm.
sadness, and painful, and they had to work hard, and most of the people do work hard, and when we do work, so our mind our mind increase, and we feel happiness, and if we do not work, so
Hmm.
our life is ideal
Hmm. Idle.
and
Hmm.
idle,
Hmm.
and a beggar takes money in their street with hard work, and they they run their home,
Hmm.
and work is key of wealth,
Hmm.
and people choose work according their happiness, and they work,
Hmm.
and we ought work, and
Ought to do work.
ought to ought to do work, and we can hold our
Hold up.
head
We can hold up our head.
with proud,
Hmm.
and all the people respect him who work hard
Hmm.
in their life,
Hmm.
and and we should work hard, and and there are many works, and and we should not depend to
On others.
others.
Hmm.
When we do work, we can build our character and
Hmm.
character and that's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया. थोड़ा सा ग्रामर पे फोकस करना है ना, बाकी सब तो बढ़िया रहा है. थोड़ा सा प्रोनाउन को यूज करते समय थोड़ा सा और फोकस करेंगे ना बेटा.
हाँ.
हाँ, बस ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, करते रहो. कबीर.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kabir. I am the student of Ramal English Interactive Classes from batch B18. Today's my topic is importance of work. As we know that we are human being and we all do any work and any type of work.
Hmm.
Like some people teach, some people do teaching, some people do business, and some people play games.
Hmm.
They all uh, make money by these things.
Hmm.
uh, by this they can become rich,
Hmm.
and by this they can also become poor.
Hmm.
uh, we can also take an example of
एन
uh,
एग्जाम्पल. हाँ, बोलो बोलो.
an example of Ambani.
Hmm.
They do business and work hard, and now it's and he and now he become very successful man in
He has
his
become.
life.
He become नहीं, he has become. टेंस का ध्यान रखो यहाँ पर. हाँ.
He has become a successful person in his life.
Hmm.
but some beggar uh, but some beggar people do. Sorry, envy था ना.
हाँ. डू की जरूरत
Envy.
नहीं है, एनवी काफी है, डू की जरूरत नहीं है.
Do do envy on people, rich people.
एनवी सम पीपुल, एनवी रिच पीपुल. फोकस क्या करो, मैं जो बोला करूं उस पे. आगे बोलो.
Okay, sir. But a honest man, uh, honest man. Take seconds. The honest man feel very proud and respect on him, uh, because he do his work self and and do not depend on other people for his works and anything.
Hmm.
So in last I want to say that we should become a honest man and do our work independently. Yes sir, that's it.
ओके, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा ग्रामर पे फोकस करो आप भी, है ना? यस आदित्य।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. And today I am sorry, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Aditya Dhanawat. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from Beatin. Today's our topic is importance of work.
Hmm.
As we all know that work is very important in our life. With the help of work, we make our money and we enjoy in our life.
Hmm.
But rich people, but now time rich people are lazy they and these people are very lazy people in the world and they don't do work and watch mobile and ride in our uh, uh, costly cars.
छोड़ो तुम मूर्खो, तो तुम तो ये बताओ क्यों जरूरी है? हम्म।
And work is now time work is very useful. uh, we do our work and we enjoy these work and and work is a thing who work is a thing
विच
who yes, which develop our mind
शाबाश, ऐसे हाँ,
and
घबराओ मत, हाँ बोलो।
and we and we don't don't waste our time and we do do and do our work
हम्म।
time to time
हम्म।
and last I want to say that work is the biggest thing in our life. Yes sir, that's it.
ओके, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा, कोशिश करते रहो बस ऐसे बेटा, है ना? हाँ,
Yes
और
sir.
सुना करो सबको ध्यान से। यस, कम ऑन प्रिया।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Priya Meena. I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today's our topic is the importance of the work. So as we all know very well that doing work is the best way to be stay busy in our daily life.
हम्म।
And by work we can do as we want.
हम्म।
There are some people who in their life they think that the rich people the rich people very are very important and happy
हम्म।
in their life,
हम्म।
but we are wrong.
हम्म।
And because they don't have to do any work, and they don't have to do any work,
हम्म।
but this is wrong because the rich people become lazy without doing any work, and they feel alone and boring life.
हम्म।
Uh, but the middle class people who do daily work for their livelihood are more happy and busy in their life,
हम्म।
and they do their regular work and build their own respect and character by themselves.
हम्म। शाबाश। हम्म।
By doing work, we stay punctual, thoroughness, faithful,
हम्म।
happy, and healthy also. And the rich people are like a street beggar who beg for happiness.
हम्म।
But besides them, the actual beggars are more happier.
हम्म।
In my opinion, the rich people is
आर पीपुल वो बोला है अपने, रिच पीपुल आर,
yes,
थोड़ा ध्यान दो,
yes.
हाँ। हम्म।
In my opinion, the rich people are uh, Adler था ना सर?
Idler.
Idler, because there is no fun, happiness, and daily works in their routine, and there is only money in their hand, and we are happy with our daily works, and we become more happier when we do our favorite work. And in the last, I want to say that the regular works build our character. That's it, sir.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. शाबाश. Yes, come on, खुशी गुजर.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा आजा.
My name is Kushi Gujjar.
Hmm.
My topic is the
Importance.
importance of the work.
Hmm.
Work, there are many types work, and work is very important in our life because without work we feel lazy.
शाबाश बेटा. बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. हाँ.
Work is very important.
फोकस करके रखो बेटा बस.
Yes, sir. People like comforts, so they do work and earn money. Money is very important nowadays. Important nowadays. We fulfill our needs and wishes by money. So they do work. And rich people have much money, but they are not happy in
their life.
their life.
घबराओ मत, बिल्कुल भी अच्छा बोल रहे हो, बस कॉन्फिडेंस रखो.
Life. And work teach us discipline, honesty, punctuality,
वेरी गुड बेटा. हाँ.
and sacrifice, etc.
शाबाश बेटा. बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
Work is very important in our life.
बहुत बढ़िया बोला है बेटा. शाबाश. छोटा बोला है लेकिन बहुत अच्छा बोला है ना. धीरे धीरे कॉन्फिडेंस भी आ रहा है. बस घबराओ मत, बिल्कुल मत घबराओ. हाँ. यस नाउ खुशी गुजर. काजल.
Good evening, sir.
हाँ बेटा आ जा बेटा.
Today my topic is importance of work.
हाँ.
Work is very important in our life.
हाँ.
If we don't work, we feel lazy, and we got
Get.
depressed.
Got क्यों get?
We get depressed.
हाँ. शाबाश
and
शाबाश. हाँ हाँ.
had some people think that many rich people happy
Are
in
happy.
their life,
हाँ. Are happy.
are happy,
हाँ.
are happy in their life because they have a lot of money, but it is not truth.
True.
But it is not true because they have nothing to do in their life. They get depressed and alone
शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
in their life. If we don't work in our life, we feel ashamed, and
हाँ हाँ. शाबाश.
and we depend in others.
On
We
others.
on
हाँ.
on
हाँ. घबराए
others.
मत, बिल्कुल घबराए मत. ऐसे ही आता है, धीरे धीरे हो जाएगा. बोल. हाँ. कोशिश करती रहे.
If we work hard, we feel proud ourselves, and this thing make
Think.
this thing make us
make us happy
शाबाश शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। हाँ
and we feel proud ourselves.
हम्म
Uh, work is very important in our life because it make our character punctual, disciplined, and
शाबाश शाबाश।
happiness in our life. Many beggars envy rich people.
शाबाश शाबाश।
If we work hard, we hold up ourselves
हाँ
or head.
हाँ हाँ, कोई बात नहीं है, सब आ जाएगा धीरे धीरे। हाँ
So work is very important and people sir हाँ we should work hard and we should work that we like, which we like. That's it.
ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया। बस ऐसी कोशिश करते रहो। बस 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 बस, अब थोड़ा सा इसको फ्लो लाना है, वो कर रहे हैं अपन लोग, कोशिश हो जाएगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। बस बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड। यस नाउ रश्मि।
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My topic is importance of work. Work is very important for us. If we don't have any work, so we will be bored in our life.
आराम से बोल रहा, धीरे धीरे बोलना। हाँ
Okay, sir. Sometimes we think rich people's life so good and not have any work. But the some rich people's bored in our life because they
नहीं लगाते बेटा पीपल में कभी भी। बोल 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 बोल।
the some rich people bored because they don't have any work. Work is not for only money. Work gives happiness and satisfaction to us. Satisfaction to us. If we choose our favorite work, so we can't bore in to do work.
In doing work, हाँ बोलो।
In doing work, we do our work with honesty, so we feel happiness. By the hard work, we achieve our dreams. Hard work is the key of success. All the rich peoples get success with the hard work. That's it, sir.
Okay, very good. थोड़ा सा ग्रामर का ध्यान रखना बेटा, है ना बेटा, सिंगुलर प्लूरल का थोड़ा सा फोकस करके चलो बेटा। वेरी गुड, ओके। एंड यस नाउ मुस्कान, आ जा बेटा।
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone, and today I am telling about work. Hard work is the very important in our life. We can sir, hard work is the key to success. Hard working, we can achieve our goals and lives.
With hard work, बोलो बोलो, कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोलो, बोलते रहो, घबराओ मत।
Everyone can become rich only by work.
शाबाश शाबाश, हाँ।
We think, some people think that rich people are very happy, but is wrong. But it is wrong because some rich people get bored without without their life,
विदाउट वर्क.
without work.
फोकस करके रखा कर, पकड़ पकड़ के रखा कर. हाँ.
Farmer do does the work hard. Very. And working always keep us healthy. And we should never we should never leave work incomplete.
शाबाश शाबाश, बोलती रहे. घबराए मत, जितना बोलना उतना बोल, आराम से कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोल.
He how does not work,
हाउ नहीं,
who does not work is lazy. A lazy person do not success in our life.
succeed in his life.
And work makes is happy. That's
Makes
it.
us happy. बहुत बढ़िया बोला, शाबाश. थोड़ा टेंसेस को ठीक करना. अभी उनमें फ्रेमिंग क्वेश्चन में गड़बड़ मत करना, उनको ध्यान से करना बेटा. कोई दिक्कत आए तो फोन करके पूछना मेरे को, है ना. हाँ. यस, खुशी बैरवा.
Today's my topic, importance of work.
हाँ बेटा.
Work is very important in our life. There are many types of work
शाबाश शाबाश, घबराए मत, बिल्कुल मत घबराए. हाँ.
in our country.
बस माइंड पे फोकस कर अपना. हाँ.
Most of the people work, earn money,
To earn
do
money.
earn money. Without work, we feel lazy.
शाबाश.
Work give happiness. Work is key of wealth.
शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड. ऐसे बोल, छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोल. हाँ.
Work teach us honesty, discipline, punctuality, etc. Hard work is very important. When hard work ends in a man's life.
अरे वाह यार, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश. वैसे डरती रहती है. हाँ.
That's it, sir.
अरे यार, शॉर्ट एंड स्वीट, बहुत अच्छा बोला. बहुत सारी बातें कह दी तूने, छोटे से में ही बहुत सारी बातें कह दी. वेरी गुड, शाबाश बेटा. कीप इट अप. So I think all have taken their turn. Now it is the time for closing the recording. So thank you very much.